Hello, dear students. First chapter of class 9 book Beehive is The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Some of the students have already read this chapter in class 8, but now we will read it again in class 9. In this chapter, the writer has differentiated between the real teaching and virtual teaching by the help of two children named Tommy and Margie, who are the students of year 2157. Now we are living in 2021, but in the chapter we will come to know about the learning of the students of the year 2157. Means their teaching method, their schooling method will have been described there, and we will be able to differentiate between that method of teaching and the present method of teaching which we are having nowadays. After reading the story, you will read or you will realize which teaching is better. So let us read and come to know the difference between the two ways of teaching. Margie. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So here, this chapter starts with the diary entry of a girl named Margie. She is writing her diary, and in the diary, she wrote that today means on that day, Tommy, one of her friend, found a real book. And she was very surprised about that real book. And therefore, she writes, it was a very old book. And Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when old stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So Margie was writing about the real book which she saw from Tommy, and she also learned about that real book from her grandfather once a time. He told her that when he was a little boy, his grandfather, means grandfather's grandfather, told him that there was a time when all the stories and all the things which were printed on paper, they turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly. They means Margie and Tommy. Here, Margie and Tommy, when they turned the pages of the real book which they found, the pages were yellow and crinkly as the book was very old. And it was awfully funny to read words because they were used to read the words on the screen. And now they were reading the words on the real book, which were stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So Margie and Tommy were used to read the words on their television screen. They were usually in the moving form as they were reading them. But on the real book, the pages were still even after the pages were having the printed words, and the words were still even the pages were turned. Now and then, when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So Margie was surprisingly writing in her diary that the pages were on the old book, they were turned, and even after turning the pages, the words were same as they were on the first time on that page. Margie said, "Tommy, what a waste." "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When when you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." So Tommy's reaction regarding the real book was this: "Gee, what a waste." Tommy called the real book as a waste because according to him, the book was thrown. The book was thrown out, thrown away after being read. according to Tommy. And he also added that his television screen must have had a million books on it because they were used to read the books on screen, and after the reading, the books were stored in their TV screen. They were not used to, or they did not use, they did not they did not need to throw the book away. So I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy said that I wouldn't. I means Tommy here. I wouldn't throw it away. There was no need to throw them away because the book was stored in the television store and the real book was thrown away after being read. That was the idea about the real book the Tommy had. Same with mine, said Margie. So, in that conversation, when Margie and Tommy were conversating regarding the real book, Margie also said that same with mine. She was 11 years old and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had because Tommy was 13 years old. She said, "Where did you find it?" Margie asked about the real book, where he had found that real book. Tommy answered, "In my house." He pointed out looking without looking at Margie because he was busy in reading. In the attic. He did not look at the Margie. He answered only that in the attic. "What is it about?" Margie asked one more question. Tommy answered, "School." Now, Margie was scornful. School was school. Was what's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie was scornful after listening the word school, that the book was about school. So this reaction of Margie clears that Margie did not like the school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The reason behind this, the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So there was reason about the hatred of Margie to the school. The reason was there that Margie's mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography subject. And unfortunately, Margie was not doing good. She had been doing worse and worse. And every time she was given try again. So when Margie's mother realized that there was some problem with the teacher of Margie, then she called for the county inspector to come to know about the problem and also the solution of that problem. He was a round little man. He means county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Means the county inspector by physic, he was a round little man and he was keeping a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Means he was having a box which was full of some tools regarding the mechanical teacher, dials and wires, etc. He smiled at Margie when he came to Margie's home to check the mechanical teacher. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple to console her, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Margie thought that he wouldn't know. Margie hoped, Margie wished that he would not know how to put it together again. It means the mechanical teacher. But county inspector was a skilled one and he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. So, when the teacher, mechanical teacher, was corrected, was meant by the county inspector because county inspector was a skilled man and he understood what was the problem with the Margie's teacher. So, after mending it within an hour or so, the teacher was ready again to teach Margie. The teacher was large, black, and ugly, having a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part she hated, so Margie had to read from this. The part she hated the most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Margie actually hated her school, and the part which she hated the most was the slot of the teacher, and in that slot she had to put her homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So Margie had to put her homework, her test paper on a slot with the help of a punch code, which she learnt when she was 6 year old. When Margie was 6 year old, she started her schooling. From that very first day, she was given the training, she was given the lesson how to write on the screen and how to put the homework as well as test on the screen. And the mechanical teacher, after putting or after inserting the homework, after inserting the test through slot, the mechanical teacher calculated the marks, checked the homework in no time. So this was about the Margie's teacher and about some Margie's hate to school and finding of the real book from Tommy's house attic. So we'll continue with this chapter, and till now, thanks and have a nice day. Keep yourself safe. Thank you.